Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what you can see that the price of silver currently trading at around 24.844. Okay, and now what you can see looking at the chart that this is the particular range where we have seen the silver is moving. Okay, and because of the war we have seen that the price has moved, suddenly spikes and made a high of around 27.171, and after that it is continuously in the downside. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. If you look at the chart clearly, you can see that the price of silver trading at around 24.837, and suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see a cup pattern is forming in this particular zone. If this level sustain, what we can see, it can move further upside. Okay, the next resistance we can see is coming at around 25.430, and from there we can see it can, if this level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 25.648. Suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards the level of 25.974, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 26.735. Okay, suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 27.388, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 27.932. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 28.585, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 28.802. Okay, and this 28.802 is already being tested here, so chances will be high we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 29.781, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 30 also. Now understand one thing. Suppose this is the particular range. Okay, and now suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 25.648, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 26.083. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 27.062. okay, and if this level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 28 also, and it can go further upside. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see yes, it can fall towards a level of 24.233, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can fall towards a level of 23.472. okay, now again I repeat, if the price fall below this level, then we can see the next support is coming at around 24.125, and if it fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of 23.581. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.819, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 22.602. suppose if the price fall below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 21.949, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 21.296. this level is already being tested here, so chances will be high we can see it can fall further towards a level of 19.773. keep this in mind. If it fall below a level of 24.4, then we can see it can fall further. Okay, now understand one thing. If you are trading, you have to understand that trading involves risk, and it is a process that you have to understand. If you will not be follow that process, people will lose money, and this is what I do my workshop and tell everyone to understand that it is a process that you have to follow. Okay, and there's some rules that you also have to follow, then only we can see that it can helps in growing the profits, okay, and reducing the loss. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, you should know that you should try to trade with 10 to 15% of your capital, that is around 1,000 to, if you are trading $10,000 in capital, you should be trading with 10 to 15% of capital, that is around $1,000. risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, so it will be around, if you take 5 trades, you know your risk is $500. okay, so if you make 5, even 5, you make a 0. That means if all of your 5 trades become 0, you know that your risk is $500, and the next day you can trade properly, because the thing is that you will not be in a mindset of recovering the loss. If you are in the mindset of recovering the loss, then you will not be able to trade the next day. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me regarding this. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.